What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel where we do stuff COLTS way. It ain't always the right way, but we get it done. Look, today I'm gonna do a video on these shackles I got. I know I got 4 of them, 2 in each box. I know we had a little survey of what color I should get, red or black, and this is what I went with. So I went with red. I'm gonna show you some of the reasons why I went with these shackles. These are Gear America shackles. They're not too expensive. I think it's like 60 bucks for these 2 shackles. But I did get 7/8 shackles. I didn't get the 3/4. They were just too small looking. These look bigger and beefier. They come with these little rubber silencer / stabilizer pads. When you put them through the bumper, it doesn't make noise as much, and you can keep it pretty tight. The reason I went with these over a lot of other ones, these are some of the locking shackles were so expensive, and I mean, a shackle's a shackle really, but I didn't want to buy one and have somebody steal it. So these have this little I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a little nut driver thing in there, and it comes with this key. So I can unscrew it, but I can only get to right there. I can't take the shackle off my bumper if it was on my bumper. So what you do is it comes with this little key, and you just slip this key right in there, okay? And then it goes opposite. You got to turn right to take it out, to loosen it. So you take it out like that, and then it's basically just this little key lock thread thing, and it's got holes that threads in there. So when it's in, you can't take it out, but when the key's out, this guy probably like my shackles right here with his red Jeep. When you take it out, you know, when you take the key out, you can take the shackle off the bumper or whatever. So look, it just keeps honest people honest. If I really wanted to steal these shackles, I still could. I could probably get, I mean, it'd be hard because when I put these on, I'm gonna hammer down on this and tighten it up real good. But if you wanted them bad enough, you could. I mean, if somebody's got one of these, they can get it. But I was thinking maybe some needle nose pliers and kind of put in there and spread it out. But I don't think you'd be able to turn it as tight as I'm gonna get this thing. But anyway, that's why I settled on these ones. Just to keep honest people honest, and maybe I'll be able to keep it a little bit longer. But that way nobody can come just steal them. So we're gonna try to put one of these on real quick and show you. So y'all probably had, I don't know, I'll probably pick these 2 thickest ones right here and put it between the bumper, and we'll see if that can. I might need to shim it up or add a few more. There's different size little rubber things. I might have to get a skinnier one or what, but we'll see. Let me see here. All right, so this is how this would work. You'd put one here and one here, and then it looks like that's what I'm going to need is the 2 bigger ones. But I'm OCD, and I want both the threaded sides facing in. So put that on there like that. Put that on there. Go on. There. So that's on there tight. And then now we'll take this key. Like I said, it's opposite. You're gonna have to turn it left to tighten it. Yeah, it's gonna be hard for somebody to steal it because I just tighten the hell out of it. There. So these little, I could add one more skinny. I got a smaller piece of plastic. I might could add one more of those, but I like it. That's what it looks like on there. So it don't look too bad. I'll try it for a while, and if red ain't my thing, I'll change it to black. Anyway, I'm gonna put the rest of these on, and I'll just see what it looks like. All right, so I got the 2 front shackles on. Like I said, they're 7/8 shackles with a lock. Supposedly rated for 10 tons. Hopefully I don't ever have to find that out. think they look good. Here's the rear ones. It's kind of dark shades over here, but you got the little rubber mats in there, keep it looking nice. It doesn't rattle as bad, keeps it pretty tight. But anyway, I'll put a link to these shackles in the description. You can get them in black, and I might roll with these black ones for a little while, then realize, or these red ones for a little while, and realize, hell, I should have got black. So they make black every day. I'll just get some of them. But that's what it looks like with the shackles on. So I do have a little 1-inch. I live right in West Monroe, Louisiana, where Skyjacker's at. So I went by their office and got a 1-inch spacer for the bottom side of the coil. I got a 2-inch rail lift on the top, and the weight of this bumper and winch sagged it down a good bit. So I'm gonna pop it up another 1 inch, see if I can get away without having to use radius drop arms and all, radius arm drop brackets and all that, and I should be good. So that'll be another video next week when I get it put on. All right, appreciate y'all watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and if you haven't, that'd be great. It really means a lot, because I'm trying to grow this channel as fast as I can, and it takes forever. I've been working on it for about 2 years, but if you get a chance, please like and subscribe. And thank y'all for all watching, and God bless. Appreciate y'all.